All right, what's up, YouTube? I'm looking at you. All right, so let's get. I've been asked a lot about Bitcoin or what's going on with Bitcoin. Seriously, I don't really know what's going on with Bitcoin, but I know that they dropped it pretty hard. So from what I've been reading, let's go to the chart here on TradingView. From what I've been reading so far, Bitcoin's been sold off because a lot of investors don't plan on putting any money into it. So I don't know. Let's give you guys my quick thoughts on this. On the 4 hour, it's probably gonna end up consolidating here probably this whole weekend. It might end up just consolidating here till the end of the month. From what I'm seeing here on the 4 hour. Now, if we look at the daily, so let's go to the daily here. Daily, you can see that created a bullish doji candle, and that support price at 5,000. To me, I would buy it, but at this point, is it worth buying at this price? Probably not. They shot it down to like 4,000. So sending it down to 4,000 is pretty critical price. And from where they sent it down, let's zoom out here. Let's go to weekly so you guys can see what I'm talking about. On the weekly, you can clearly see it almost came down. It almost came down and touched 3,200, right? This was the biggest sell-off from where it was at from here, peaked at 20,000 all the way down to 32.8. So, and they shot it down. So based on this candle, I wouldn't be surprised if they send it right back down to 4,000 and close this weekly candle, and then maybe end up consolidating, kind of like what they did here, right? From 3,000 to 4,000. And then maybe find a double bottom. That would, to me, that would be my double bottom structure on candlesticks for a double bottom. Then I would buy it, right? So then I would buy it and then hold it back for it to retest 10,000 again, because they shot it down from 10,000 right here. So this is on the weekly chart. So if you guys if you guys been watching my Bitcoin analysis, I have not changed my two horizontal lines and my trend line that started back here in 2018. So I haven't changed any of that that setup. My analysis is still the same until it breaks 12,000, and it breaks above 12,000 to close above 12,000 on the weekly candle, and then for it to maneuver back up to 18, 19,000. So we probably won't end up seeing this maybe till the market crashes or something, and people are flocking into digital currency as a new wave or new form of currency. So we'll see how that goes, especially for this year. And like I said, crypto might end up consolidating maybe the whole summer like what it did last year. And so just something to think about where crypto is headed right now, to the bottom, to retest the bottom price, and then maybe end up consolidating from there, 3,000 to 4,000. And then I don't know where else we go from there. I mean, like you said, this whole virus thing is just taking a toll on the markets. People are panicking, right? People are worried about this thing going on. So I don't know. It is what it is, and just gotta be prepared when the markets are gonna overreact. So it is a big reaction towards this virus right now. So we'll see what goes on. But that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. Hope this makes sense. It doesn't make sense. I mean, I don't mind commenting. I know some people have questions on, and they put their comments down there and ask me if I think about anything else. But like I said, Bitcoin is the only crypto that I would be paying attention to, and unless some major some major crypto at the very bottom, like a really, I don't know, maybe I don't know about Ripple right now, but I mean something like compared to Ripple that shot up from 20 cents to like $4 that one time back in 2018, I think it was, like at the end of 2018. So no, or at the end of 2017, whatever it was. So that's something to think about. I mean, what crypto will take over and be the next big Bitcoin? So I don't know what that is. I'm just paying attention to Bitcoin until I see something that a lot of investors are going to flock in and buy that crypto. So, but other than that, that's it, guys. Peace. Have a great weekend. Don't get too caught up on this coronavirus. I really don't care about it right now because there's just too many crazy people out there right now. So just do your due diligence. Do your own research, and I mean, just don't get too caught up with other people's agendas, to be honest. I don't really care for that. It is what it is. I mean, you can't change it, you can't control it. You can only control your own behavior and your attitude towards it. So be mindful of that. Remember that book right here. This book. That's right. That first chapter talks about it. So positive thinking, guys. Let's get it.